We've just completed a El Capitan tier build on a Sprinter 170 extended. That 170 extended length is going to allow for so much more storage inside of the van. Prime example, this garage area is absolutely massive, allowing for tons of storage in the back. The electrical panel has 800 amp hours of battery and a 3000 watt inverter. On the passenger side, that is a 33-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank with a 4-gallon hot water tank. The hose goes to the outdoor shower port. This will allow you to rinse off your shoes, your dogs, your bike, anything that's messy before you put it back inside the van. We've got 300 watts of solar mounted to the top of the van. Mounted to the roof rack is a Nomadic awning. This has lights at the bottom and up at the top, completely illuminating your camping space in the evenings. Side steps allow for much easier access to the van. These vans are super tall, and that side step is so helpful getting inside. Up front, we've got dueling Scopima swivel seats. These allow the seats to turn all the way around, creating a seating area in the van. The Lagoon table really finishes off that seating area. We custom make these Lagoon table tops. They'll fold out when you want more table space, fold away when you don't want it, with a very convenient drink holder cup in the center. This bench seat also has storage underneath. Think of all the things that you could hide in there. The control panel up top is going to allow you access to all of your different systems in the van in one convenient location. Here's the Max Air fan. This is going to allow you to ventilate hot air out of the van or bring cool air into the van. This indoor shower is huge. This is a 24x36 shower. It's going to give you 4 more inches of width on your shower. At the bottom we have the VIZIO dry flush. This is so great for vans. There's no splashes, no smells, and they're super convenient. Closet space, floor to ceiling. We've got shelves up top and garment racks down below. So much counter space in here, and these acacia butcher blocks are just gorgeous. Ample amounts of storage below and up above. This is a queen size memory foam mattress, and below the bed is a pass through to the garage so that you can access your storage from inside of the van. Here we have the Nomadic X2 AC unit. These are incredibly powerful, super efficient. They were made to be used off-grid. You don't need to use shore power, and it's not going to completely drain your batteries. Mounted to a swivel base here, we have a 32-inch monitor, perfect for watching TVs as you're winding down after a long day or getting some work done. Built in is a isotherm Elegance 85 fridge freezer combo. The cover for the sink so that things don't fall in while you're driving, and of course, your extended countertop. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.